Alright guys, this is how you take off the fake exhaust tip. You gotta go underneath the car. You're gonna find these two tabs. Hopefully you can see them. One right here. One right here. Just use a flathead screwdriver and just pry them off. And under here there's another white tab. Push it down and pull it out, and the whole tab comes out. Alright, once you do that, just the whole thing should become loose. Sorry, hard to do with one hand. And that's it. So 2 tabs and the tab in the back right here. And that's it. Good luck.